my auto-generated and 12-digit length. Which one? Password.
Password.
Password, why it is auto-generated? Because maybe, okay, so this is your admin is loading agent to the database, correct? So admin is only loading the information of an agent to the database. So in that case, admin not supposed to give the known password to the, or admin cannot give, let's say, test at the rate 123, cannot give like this. Let generate this auto generate. Auto generated means you can have some function. That function will give you auto generated password. Auto generated password in the sense this is combination of number, combination of character, extent. So auto generated password you can use. There is some plugin is available in Java. You can use some random password generator in this case, correct? So, so you can use
My question.
total character. Sorry.
Password when we put the get agent ID, then display the agent detail. Then we need also display the password or not?
No, really not, right? Oh, okay, sorry. Come again. When we supposed to display the
This
yes,
password, auto-generated password is only kept in the table or need to display?
yes, it's only to keep in the table, and you need to give that password to the user. For example, agent wants to log in to your application. In that case, you need to ask that, okay, log in with your email ID and use this password for your login. But you should not display over there. Maybe you can display, but it's not feasible solution to display that. Don't display this. Okay, so this is only for this is what save, right? So while save, you can give that option to save it.
So in agent model, we don't need this.
Correct. That is auto generated part, right? So you don't need to bring it from client side.
We need to in the entity.
Yeah.
But we need to entity and use the function for here generate auto password.
Yes. So there is something called random string generator. You can use that. There is default code. I can give you that here in the chat. You can think of this and try to use similar. You can see this. And you can pass the length, how much length you need. It will create and give you like this. So you don't need to give manually this password.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But yes, other one I will look into that upload thing. That is a little tricky because 10 column little costly, and that too 10 column is not sure whether 10 column 10 data will be there all the time. Other column will be null. It can be in worst case scenario all 10 column will be null. In at least one one column can be populated, other can be null, or else all column can be populated. Anyways, let's continue. I will update you. For now, you consider one column and go ahead. Comma separated names of the document, but yes, I will do this. Yeah. Others, anyone? Chiranjeevi, go ahead, please.
Okay. I'm sharing my screen.
I believe everyone joined here from breakout room. Can everyone join here? I will quickly, after this, I will quickly show you Swagger. What is Swagger and how to implement Swagger that Suman sir was talking about, right? So I will quickly teach you and then you can implement to your application as well. Swagger.
I maintain the many-to-many relationship as we discussed yesterday.
Okay.
For the other table, and from that way create the service class. In the hotel model, I have added the three port tables here that will create the separate tables for the mapping table. And
so before you proceed, this is you change just because we discussed yesterday. So with these changes, are you facing any difficulties or any challenges?
With these changes, yeah, I do not face that. Yeah, that's pretty easy, I think. For maintaining that.
That is good.
Everything is controlled in the single for the getting the information, right, and in the hotel side, in the hotel service, we can get all.
And at the time of save, anyways, you need to make sure that these all table will not save together. They will save in different scenarios.
Yeah, for now, I save with the same in the some three objects are saved here together in the same object. We can also pass the null value, and we can also remove from here so that it's not stored on the hotel amenities like that in the table.
Because these hotel amenities property rule, they will not update along with your hotel information.
Yeah.
Because once hotel might be the single entry, hotel name, address, location, and maybe a hotel address along with it.
That's we can remove that as well. So that we can only store the value. Likewise, I will remove this one, and then let's see in the database there is hotel information here. There is up to 8 hotels. So, and let's see the hotel amenities. Hotel amenities. And there is up to 12 option, right? So let's see once save this one information. Okay. Oh, that's what happened.
The exception may be the bad express.
Let's see. We need to remove that code from that side. Sorry, I was wrong. In this way, I will remove that code for the service class. I have added here for the save entity, and so I will remove that part. So that we can. Then in the suppose if we are not inserting the hotel amenities from the hotel itself, then in the hotel amenities side, we need to create the insert method, right?
Correct.
And
hotel amenity. So how, if for example, if I wanted to add information directly in the hotel amenities without touching hotel, will I be able to?
Yeah, we need anyhow the hotel ID, right? So that it will maintain with the hotel one.
Correct. Then how you are doing? If for example, if we are why I am asking is, so if I try to update hotel amenities or any other hotel related information separately, along with the hotel, other than hotel rather, ID definitely we need. Then we will be able to, without any.
Yeah, I think we will need to get that the hotel from the hotel ID. Then the same hotel we will insert. I think, right?
Okay. So you are going with one to many and many to one concept, both. I mean, for example, from hotel to amenities, it will be one hotel can have many amenities.
Yeah.
One to many relations. So on either side also you are doing like many amenities present in one hotel.
Can you mean bi-directional, one to many on one side and many to one on another side?
No. Then how you are doing that? Okay. So you are every time you are saving one to many. Even if I want to update or if I want to add any information for hotel amenities, so you are doing same one direction only, correct? One to many. Okay. Not a bad idea. That's fine. That should be fine. If it is working fine, then it's okay.
No, that's I haven't tried with the. I will get that the information is here, but I haven't tried only here to set the single particular hotel amenities here.
No, we need to do that. That is what I said. Like these hotel amenities, property rule, location, this will be updated independently.
Independently, yeah.
Yeah, it's not necessary. It will be updated along with the hotel information.
Yeah.
So how we can do that?
Yeah. For that, anyhow, we need that hotel information, right? So, we can add the independently for the hotel amenities, but it won't maintain that the relation on the third table. Right? We need.
Why it cannot maintain? For example, if I am asking you to add amenities, so definitely it will be related to some hotel only. It will be the amenities, right?
I mean,
getting it what I'm saying. For example, let's say if I ask you, okay, add these amenities. So add these amenities means definitely hotel amenities. So it will be related to some hotel only, right?
Yes.
So you can find out that object and you can do the simple update or how it is. You can think of it. If you are doing one to many, still it can possible. If you're doing one to many, still it is possible. For example, if I wanted to update one to many, one amenities I wanted to add, what I supposed to do? I supposed to get the hotel information first. Maybe some information I got it, like hotel name or something I got it, right? I will find out that hotel.
That's only once I put maintaining relation, but here adding the foreign key here column.
Yeah. The foreign key will be inside your, obviously it has to be in your main amenities only, right? The amenity table should have.
I tried last time with this one-to-many relation, maintaining the one-to-many. What I faced that I might be wrong for the inserting the time, but we are passing the hotel as a reference, right? And to insert this value, but only this value, right? And we need also the hotel information here, right? For the object in the like in this case as well. If I want to add only the if I add the foreign key as a hotel here and the amenities part, if suppose the hotel is here, hotel ID. If I pass that as a reference, right, that's hotel ID will be the hotel ID, but we are passing the whole object form, right? Then in this case, I need the whole information from to pass here, and if I pass that, then what I get the result is it will insert this one as well as it will also insert this value into the hotel table as well.
Okay.
So that is totally wrong. So I think that's the wrong.
No. Hold on. So now how you are handling them? As you said that you have tried out, how you are handling now?
For inserting part, right?
Mm-hmm.
For inserting part, I only able to handle right now. I'm only able to insert hotel amenities like this as a this form. I only need the ID, hotel ID,
Mm-hmm.
hotel ID, and the amenities ID to maintain that the relations on the.
Okay, so you are doing many to many.
Yeah, many to many. Yeah.
Perfect. Yes, that's correct. Yes, but one thing you need to make sure that if you have any entries similar already in the amenities section, don't enter again. Can't you do like that? But I can see. So what I'm saying is, for example, gym. Gym is one amenity. Swimming pool is one amenity. There's nothing special, or one hotel cannot provide anything extra over there, right? As an amenity. Gym means gym. Swimming pool means swimming pool. Smoking area means smoking area. You don't need to have anything extra, or you don't need to segregate. Okay, this hotel is providing some special smoking area, or the other hotel is providing. Cannot say like that, right? Smoking area means smoking area.
Smoking area. That means the duplication values will not be included.
Yes. Can we maintain that?
Yeah. So I think we can maintain. Let's.
So I would just check with your team member. Not unique. Yeah, you can mention unique, but yes, you can handle it in a different way also. Like if you have already make an entry, so you don't enter, you can simply keep it the same amenity ID. You can fetch the same amenity ID.
Yeah.
So for example, if you try to save one amenity, you have to make sure if the amenity is already present or not. First, instead of blindly save it to the amenity table, check whether amenity is already present. If amenity is already present, based on the name, obviously, you cannot go with the description. You can go only the name.
Then for that, we need to call that.
Get the corresponding ID, put it into the mapping table.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, that's clear.
That should be for all the
clear. Only have one doubt is I am able to insert this from the hotel side, right? For the amenities part. I'm still confused that I'm just thinking that from the hotel amenities side only, if I only want to add the one amenities from only this particular hotel, for that case, do I need to call get the hotel details first, and then on that hotel we need to update this one, right?
Correct, but that is what I am saying, that as you are trying to save it together, that is not going to happen. So as you are trying to save it together, right? Like property rule, hotel amenities together.
Yeah, if I maintain here separately, then we can do. If I make the another method, like only I will pass the hotel ID here on the level, and also the model, like hotel amenities model. Then in that case, shall I pass that one or no? Because the
hotel amenity.
Yeah.
This is hotel model, right?
Yeah, hotel model. I'm asking for the hotel amenity side also.
Okay. Now, what you are trying to do here with the hotel amenities?
My question is, like in the hotel amenity side here, then I haven't write the same method here. Only
No, you're not supposed to write it. Who is working hotel amenities?
you
From
don't
your
need to
team,
write
somebody.
the insert method here for the hotel
No,
amenity.
no. Who is working for hotel amenities in your team?
Yeah, hotel amenity is the Biso Kana.
Yeah, so he needs to write that, not you.
Yeah,
Ask him to write.
he will write that, but just for clarification.
Yeah. So here you can do that. Yes. Save amenities.
Okay.
Okay. So in that save amenities, you can so in that that's why I'm asking. You need to do the bidirectional. So you need to create a repository for the amenities as well.
Many to many is also bidirectional.
Many to many, yes. If you are going for many to many, yes, it's automatically bidirectional. In that way, hotel also is fine.
Yeah, I went to many to many.
Okay.
So I mentioned
Go ahead with many to many. Yes.
Separate table we created, but that will maintain that all things.
Hotel room mapping, hotel property rule mapping, hotels, location mapping. Okay. Make sure this hotel room mapping and all, hotel room at least you can make an entry without looking because hotel room may be different, may differ one to I mean the hotel to hotel. But properties, rules also. Property rules, why it is many to many?
Property rules like there might be more rules, right? The swimming pools have the separate rules, and the other things are also might be are different sectors, different rules. So we added that.
Property rules can be different between.
There might be multiple rules in a single hotel, right?
In a single hotel. So are you storing in a multiple columns? Property rules. How we are storing that?
Yeah, for the hotel rule, property rule as well, I have created another table.
That is another table is fine, but what I'm asking is, okay.
That will be the same case for as like hotel amenities.
So if we
The property rule will be the single, and there is no multiple values, no multiple rules. Then we can remove that, and as a string value, we can pass that. But my expectation is that the property rule might be many, so I created that.
property rule. Property rule generally will be many. Okay. Let it many to many. For example, pets are not allowed. This is one rule.
Yeah.
For example, guests below 18 years not allowed. Passport, driving license, government ID code, whatever it is, it's allowed to.
Parking area is for
Yes. So you can reuse the rules if it is same for the other hotel as well.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
You can use that mapping. Clear?
Yeah.
Same way the location as well. For example, if you're searching for location, location can be common, right, between hotels?
Yes.
Because location means your sightseeing or nearby attraction, correct?
Yeah.
So, for example, your two hotels are located in a very almost nearby, adjacent. Their location will obviously match, right?
Yes.
So in that case, you can reuse the ID if you go with many to many.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I also went many to many on that.
make sure you explain this to your team member, make them understand, and let them work.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we discussed in the whole day today as well.
Yeah. After Swagger, I will let you go to the break room again to complete your work.
Yeah, sure.
Let me complete the Swagger part. So I will complete.
Yeah,
the
I
Swagger
need your
part.
help for the Git part as well. That's my code is not fetching and not merging, so that's why.
Oh, which one? Git.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see. I'll see after this. Maybe let me complete the Swagger. Then I will let other go to the break room. They can complete their work. They're waiting.
Yeah. Okay.
And then I will come back to your screen and complete.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Just one more question.
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah.
But this here, there is a get message here. Get by hotel.
Get by hotel.
Yeah.
Hotel name or
name.
okay.
I have added get by hotel ID, get by name, like get by city. I added the 3-4 API for that. Suppose the get by hotel name. We need all information, right? That
Yeah. Yes. If it is there as a map.
Yeah. If it's
If
there,
that particular hotel. Yes. Otherwise, it will be empty. It's not necessary the hotel information updated up to date by the admin. Correct?
Yeah.
It's not necessary. There may be in progress to build up the some area.
Yeah, if
so
there is in the
update
list,
later.
then it should be anyhow. Just
Yes.
display here.
Yes. If there is in a mapping table, then you can expect this to come here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I will add that part. I haven't.
Because this, for example, it's a new hotel, right?
Yeah.
But they just opened the hotel maybe yesterday, and they just listed over here in the application. Correct. So then, how they will be knowing that? Okay, so they are updating slowly, maybe not very fast. They are updating amenities. Maybe they are planning to update amenities after a few days. Let's see how customer wants to use. So in that case, hotel information will still be there, right? Because they have uploaded that hotel with all the necessary information. Clear. Okay, so let me quickly share my screen. Now everyone pay attention. I hope nobody is in breakout room, everybody here. I can see only 14 members. Not sure if everybody is here. I assume leads, please look around. If any explanation needed later point of time. I don't see Neeraj, I don't see Madhav. So those two are missing. So make sure you guys are just sync up and let them know. Okay, so today we will be talking on Swagger. So Swagger is one of the important documentation of your. So this is nothing to do with your logic or anything. It is simply something which will help you to get information about your API. For example, I write one API. API in the sense whatever you are writing in your controller, maybe get, put, post, delete, whatever you are writing, right? How in one shot I can have that information other than analyze my code. If I analyze code, if I go in depth, we can understand, okay, these and all parameters are expected, these and all parameters required to save. So this is my expected JSON and this is my output JSON. Clear? So how will I be letting know others without analyzing my code or without analyzing any code? I'm including obviously my print security is there. So I will quickly demo you one application. I will check in that application as well. And I want you to explore then onwards on that application and implement for your this final project. And this will not be the one all members job. I all team members' job, we will assign this as a part your sprint 2 activity, but this should be done by one team, or rather, I would say one person of a team. No need every team members or other team also involved this, but need to make sure that everybody learns, understand, and try out by their own small application if you want. Because this you need to implement. And why? Who generally use this? Everyone.
Are you sharing this
Developer.
screen or?
Yeah, I'll share. Just I'm giving a little brief. Then I'll share my screen. Let me share my screen now. Okay, just I need to leave the meeting. I will come back quickly. Just a moment. Stay there.
Break over.
सर आउने हो यो स्टे विथ ट्युन भन्नुभएको छ नि स्टे विथ सरको लागि ब्रेक हो एकछिन म त यहाँ खोलेको छैन बिरामी भएको भएर एक टाउको बाँधेको छु त्यही भएर मैले यो भिडियो खोलेको छैन
Okay, so I joined back. So now let me share my screen. There are some screen sharing issues. Okay. Let me know if you're able to see my screen.
Yes, we can see now.
Okay. So this is a small application. This is BootswaggerSecurity, including security. I will show you how you can implement Swagger. Okay, so now first you can see this is very simple. This is not complicated. You don't have to do any extra coding other than few configuration things. Very first thing that you're supposed to do is come to pom.xml. Whatever Java version you want, you add it, and you need to use this dependency called Spring Doc OpenAI UI. Now you will ask, what is OpenAI? OpenAI is the latest version of your latest version of your Swagger. So now we are using very latest version of a Swagger. The latest version they are calling as an OpenAI. OpenAI means, yes, you heard correctly that it's a kind of AI. Open API is helping us to do this job easily. It's a kind of an organization. They are helping us to do this. So you should be using this as a Swagger. And definitely you need a web and security because we are trying to implement this too. I'm not doing anything, any database operation, make it very simple. So what I have done, I'll quickly demonstrate. Then I will run and show you.
It is like a Java doc or is different?
It is similar to Java doc. Yes, it is a kind of Java doc. But it is the information of your API. For example, I have 7 APIs. 7 APIs means one for get, one for put, one for post, one for again get, one for ports. I have like this 7 API.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what is the input JSON, what is the output. I don't know.
That all information will get
Yes.
Okay, that's
Correct.
great. I was maintaining the separate file, but
Yes. So this is something which is a very important feature. You might be asked to implement for your project. Why? Because definitely, whoever the developer for, let's say for you it is not maybe mandatory or you not necessary. But for a tester, for a QA person, it is very important. Why? Because they can get that information from that API directly without bugging you. Without bugging you that, okay, can you tell me, can you give me the input JSON? Can you explain me what is the output JSON? Without bugging you, they can understand. They can verify. Clear? That is the main purpose of the Swagger. It is nothing but an API documentation of your Spring Boot application. API documentation. Like, yes, it is kind of similar to your Java document. Okay. So next, what I have done,